I tested the Keltner channel on pocket option using just 15-second candles and 1-minute expiry, and the results were absolutely insane. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you the exact indicator settings, my live trades, and whether this strategy really works or crashes and burns. Here's a quick disclaimer. Binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Let's get straight to the trading rules. When price touches the upper Keltner channel and a bearish candle forms, enter a sell on the next candle. When price touches the lower Keltner channel and a bullish candle forms, enter a buy on the next candle. This is a reversal strategy, so avoid trending markets. It works best in zigzag conditions. Candle time frame, 15 seconds. Trade expiry, 1 minute. That's it. Simple, clean, and powerful. No guessing. Just follow the setup and wait for the right signal. Before we jump into the trades, a few risk management tips. Stay calm. Avoid emotional decisions. Risk only 1% to 5% of your balance per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total capital. Practice first on a demo account. You'll also find the full indicator settings, bonus trading tips, and helpful links in the video description below. Don't forget to check it out. Now let's move to the most exciting part. Live trade example. Let's see how this strategy performs in the real market. Let's go. As you can see here, the price touched the upper band of the Keltner channel, a strong sign that the market might reverse. After that, a clear bearish candle formed right near resistance. That's my entry confirmation. So I entered a sell trade on the very next candle. This is a classic reversal setup based on our rules. Now during the trade, the market started to drop sharply. Multiple red candles followed one after the other. This confirmed that our entry was solid and the momentum had shifted downward. At this point, I was feeling pretty confident. But remember, no trade is guaranteed, so we always stick to the plan. And boom! The trade closed deep in profit with a strong bearish push. This is why I love this strategy. Simple signals, clean execution, and powerful results even on 15-second time frames. Here's what happened. The price dropped sharply and touched the lower band of the Keltner channel, a perfect reversal zone. Then a strong bullish candle formed right after the touch, signaling a possible bounce. That's our entry confirmation. So I entered a buy trade on the next candle. Confident but always cautious. Now during the trade, you can see momentum shifting. Red candles stop, and we get strong green ones forming. The price starts pushing upward, moving away from the lower band. This is exactly what we want to see. A strong reaction after a Keltner channel bounce. But notice this. Price starts stalling near the middle line. This is why trade timing and expiry are super important with this strategy. And boom, trade closes in profit. But wait, what happened next shocked me. Right after the trade closed, a massive red candle appeared. It turned into a potential news event spike, and I just escaped that reversal in time. This is a great reminder. Always be aware of news timings when trading lower time frames. Now let's take a look at a buy trade I entered during a news event. But let me be clear up front. This is not a recommended setup. News candles can be wild, unpredictable, and dangerous. But I wanted to show you what happened and what we can learn from it. So here's what happened. A major red candle crashed below the lower Keltner band, and then a strong bullish candle formed right after it. Technically, that's our usual signal for a buy entry. I took the trade on the very next candle, based on the reversal rule. But there's a catch. This setup happened during a news spike, which adds a lot of risk. During the trade, the price did move in my favor, and we started seeing some bullish momentum. But notice how choppy and unpredictable the candles are. That's the danger of trading during news events. Patterns break, reversals fail, and big wicks appear out of nowhere. Luckily, this one closed in profit, and the setup held. But let me be honest, this trade was purely for testing. I don't recommend entering trades during high volatility news times unless you know what you're doing. One wrong spike, and the entire setup can fail. Now, before we go deeper into more trades, let's quickly break down the Keltner channel settings I'm using in this strategy. EMA Period, 30. This is the middle line. It smooths out the price trend using the last 30 candles. ATR Period, 15. It calculates market volatility. More recent candles equals more accurate bandwidth. Multiplier 2. This stretches the bands to 2x the ATR, perfect for spotting reversal points. These settings help filter out fake moves and give us clean reversal signals, especially on 15-second candles with 1-minute expiry. They're simple, powerful, and already tested. Just copy and try it. Here's one more perfect example of how this strategy works. Price touched the lower Keltner band, then a bullish candle formed right after. That's our signal. I immediately entered a buy trade on the next candle, expecting a short-term bounce. At first, the price didn't explode up. It moved sideways with small candles. But that's okay. This setup is all about letting the price breathe and respecting the Keltner reversal zones. Slowly, we started seeing green candles pushing upward. And yes, it closed deep in profit. It wasn't flashy, but it was clean and accurate. That's the power of simple setups with strong rules. No stress, just results. So traders, this strategy is simple, fast, and powerful, especially when you stick to the rules. Wait for price to hit the band. Confirm with candle reversal. Stay away from trending or news markets. Use proper risk management. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, Keltner Works to let me know you found this helpful, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a strategy that actually works. All the settings and bonus tips are in the video description below. Check them out and happy trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.